So let's get right into the video. Green dress. She like 90.
Bolero for wear with that?
Yeah, but I can't find it at the moment.
Okay.
The white bolero.
Yeah.
That look nice.
Okay.
Is that to say, I don't know, she said in a press conference. But her instead of the 400 meters.
This is the style that I like. It's tight at the top and then flowy bottom. I remember saying I have much.
Yeah. That no,
So
she look like she have a shape, you know. She don't have none, but she look like she have shape.
It's the only time.
That look.
Yeah, this is the only time I'll accept the old people pattern.
In my guy, man. Anyway.
I need to leave. To show you some have a little bit of shape. But I have a little bit.
You have a little bit of shape. Yeah, that one look nice.
Yeah, that nice.
This fits. This is what
That looks nice.
They look like our princess.
Tokyo Olympics champion.
Just
Yeah, it look
right.
good. It look good. I guess I should come through the door with this purple something though. That's nice.
This one was bought for me with me in mind.
Okay. Yeah, that looks nice.
Oh, you like it, Daddy?
No, put your hand back here. Relax. Go sideway to turn sideway to. Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Yes.
I saw you do. You know,
Everybody needs that jeans dress. You know, may I look for where you get that?
you
Yeah, that.
I saw you if you do.
No, for posing.
You never said before.
Well, we not talk about the pose. We talk stand. You stand up like that. Yeah.
And you look side. You not have to look nice.
Like what you do with your hands.
Yeah. And then do your flat like
When I have to bring you in so flat. No flat. But just level. My favorite one is all of them. It's like a sweater with a dress. So this one supposed to wear baggy. I know some I go wear this at school. This and the long one I go wear them at school often because them are just big.
Then do you Madeline to not so you do? No, you can't put that on. You just look normal. Look like you look on that. Like you look on a something.
Papa like a gorilla.
I like this one.
Put your hands behind the line. When the stars then set.
It's up to you.
Look sideways. Me say, yeah, when you are this, you look sideways, you look on the camera.
So let's look at it.
Yeah, then nerd.
We go to school with this more popular.
The girt up. Yeah. Like Steve.
I'm not encouraging her, leave me alone. This is the last one. This was originally for mommy, but the one that I bought couldn't fit. I didn't like the style of it.
So she take it. Okay.
No, I wear size 2.
No. You can't tell me
I
that.
wear size 2, sometimes size 4.
Come if you go inside. We go.
Can't dance like me, no, Daddy.
Your hand fear move.
Yeah, look.
What do you know? No man. You don't see how they do it. You know they dance to me attack. And then no one and then foot everything a move.
Oh yeah.
You know dance to me attack. Yeah, and then foot and they move.
Jesus, 'cause he never lets me down.
Second up in Netherlands. Nugent was pretty lucky to win.
Yeah, this is definitely too big.
Yeah, that look nice.
Here's the next one.
Yeah, that looks really nice. You look like a girl,
That's
so.
the first season. And maybe
I just started off my YouTube videos. I said to everyone, I'm going to become a girl this year. So as you can see, we just tried on some back to school outfits, back to church outfits, back to anywhere outfit, knowing me, because I really don't have a dress code to go places. I just wear whatever I feel like, and if people look at me, so be it. So I hope you enjoyed the little try on haul. Probably I'm mincing the ones from when I was at my mom's to this one here when I'm in Atlanta. So hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, share, and comment down below. Bye bye.